Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to use Mumu directly with TradingView, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you, step by step, exactly how to connect your Mumu account to TradingView quickly and easily. By the end of this video, you'll have these two platforms fully linked, so you can make the most of TradingView's advanced charts while placing trades through your Mumu account. It's straightforward even if you're brand new, so let's dive right in. First things first, let's head over to TradingView. If you're not already there, just open up your preferred browser and navigate to TradingView.com. Logging in is a good idea here so you have access to all the features you'll need. TradingView is a fantastic place for chart analysis, and linking your broker really completes the workflow. Now, once you're on TradingView, you'll notice a menu near the top. Look for the option labeled Products. Go ahead and click on that. TradingView bundles a lot of its key features under this Products tab, so don't worry if it feels like a wide menu. We're not exploring everything today, just what we need for the connection. Next, scroll all the way down to the bottom and find Trading Panel. It'll usually be tucked away right at the base of the main charting window. If you have a lot of panels open, don't worry, just look beneath the main indicators and timeframes. Clicking on Trading Panel opens up a whole new set of options. Think of this area as the bridge between TradingView's chart analysis and real-time execution with your broker. It's the command center for actually sending in orders, managing trades, and of course, connecting to your brokerage accounts. Inside the trading panel, you'll see a row of brokerage logos, but to see every broker supported by TradingView, click on the spot that says All Brokers. Sometimes this may appear as a drop-down or a button labeled something like See All depending on their latest layout. This is where TradingView lists every platform you can connect. It's a bit like looking at a menu of all your possible trading partners. It's important you pick the right one. Now comes the crucial part. Locating Mumu in the broker list. The brokers are usually organized alphabetically, so if you don't see Mumu in the first row, just scroll down a bit. If they've recently added or updated something, don't be surprised if the logo looks a little different, but it'll still say Mumu. Clicking on Mumu will begin the connection process. After you click on the Mumu option, you'll see a prompt to connect and log in with your Mumu account credentials. Take your time here, carefully enter your username and password. This step is vital to make sure TradingView is securely linked with your Mumu account. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, which I definitely recommend for added security, you might need to enter a code from your phone or authenticator app. Don't worry if this takes a minute or two, security is always worth the extra step. And that's it. Once you're logged in, TradingView will confirm the connection and you'll be ready to place trades through Mumu right from your charts. Honestly, it couldn't be more seamless. If you're switching over from another broker or trying this for the first time, give yourself a second to get familiar with where everything is, but you'll soon wonder how you ever traded any other way. Alright, that's all there is to it. Super quick, super easy. If this tutorial helped you out, be sure to give the video a like, and if you have any questions or ran into any issues connecting Mumu to TradingView, just drop a comment below. I'm here to help. And if you want more clear step-by-step tutorials just like this, don't forget to subscribe for more. Thanks so much for watching and happy trading.